Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am a CA student and pursuing my bachelor degree. First of all, I am really sorry for not uploading any videos, and this video should have been a Q&A video, but due to some reason it has been postponed. After the reason, my YouTube comments and social media is full of only one question, that did I clear my foundation attempt? So the answer is yes, I cleared my foundation attempt with 221 marks. I know it should have been more as compared to the preparation, but the last 20 days exam postponed was worse. I am still happy with my result, as anyways clearing the attempt is more important. I really wanted to make a reaction video and had much planned, but I have been busy the whole moment. Currently, my whole day schedule is like I wake up around 7, go to my inter classes at 8, which are for 10 hours till 5 to 6 pm. I think that's the reason there is no one on YouTube from CA student community. If you are looking for CA Inter taxation classes, you must definitely check out KKC Institute, as the educator CA Kishan Kumar himself is an All India rank holder. With the new and improved course content, fully amended FA 2020 income tax lecture will be uploaded on daily basis with 100% coverage of ICI module, RTPs and past year question papers. So if you are looking for classes accessible from mobile only, you must definitely check them out. For more details, check the link in the description. After coming back from classes, I take a break and do the needful for getting ready for the exams. After the whole day classes, I can't dare to look at my books, but as I joined the classes lately, I need to complete backlogs to cover up with all students. That's my whole day schedule currently. I really want to be consistent with my YouTube videos, but this is the reason I can't be. I will try my best to upload as soon as possible. Peace out.